was it for your options for parking and everything of that sort?
Yeah.
So how long is your guys' cruise for?
6 days. Comes back next Thursday.
For a 6-day cruise through us, it's going to be not was it 99 plus tax. That covers your vehicle for the entirety of your cruise length, and will include a shuttle to and from the port for up to 2 people. Anyone additional is just $12 a person.
Breakfast is from 6 a.m. to 9. Oh, there you go. 7 to 10:30 on the weekend. There's a cruise shuttle we just talked about. Let's look at the pool.
You also have the option to get breakfast to go.
Yep, there you go. Oh, I'm sure these doors are closed, but we'll see that in the morning. We'll take a little video, but
Nice pool.
there's some people in the pool. Looks like a really nice pool, though.
That is a beautiful pool.
Try not to get folks in there, but it is what it is. So. And if you're rotating in and out, you have a laundry facility right here. And it looks like it cost about $2 for one and $1.50 for the other. So about $3 total. $1.50, $1.50. So $3. Check the speed of the Wi-Fi. Probably don't know if I'll get a chance to do that or not, but it is not restrictive, so anybody can be on it. Just a heads up.
There's no password.
There's no password.
I didn't like that much.
There are some local restaurants nearby. There are some things that they offer here at the hotel. A little sitting area there. We can catch up on a few of the things that are happening.
It's almost big enough for your head.
You can get coffee anytime you want. Isn't that cool? They have a business station. You need to get on the computer or print your itinerary or baggage tags before your cruise. And look at the fireplace. If only it was real. There is an ATM, and there's a barcode if you want to save on your cruise parking. A little snack bar here with a few snacks. It even has wine. If you need change for the laundry, they have that too. Here's the check-in times and the check-out times. However, we did get our room a little bit earlier. Oh, my baby is looking out, trying to find her a ship to jump on. What you see out there? Let's see, we got a...
Say Royal Caribbean.
Look, there's the ship we're going to be on next week. Like across the bridge, you can't see it, but there's a Disney cruise over there. But we did a video on this right here. I'll post it at the end of the... at the end of this video, I'll post the video that we did on that. But what do you think so far, dear?
I like the room. It's clean, it's attractive. The bathroom is gorgeous. There's a microwave, fridge, desk, large TV.
I think that's grits, muffins, yogurts, all the toast and bagels, eggs, oh, diced ham, sausage links, and cereals, juices.
Oh yeah?
Very important waffle station. And a coffee station with different creamers. And then you got a nice pool for a view. could eat out there if you want to. There's tables. But baby, it's checkout time. Oh, there you go again. Look at you. Oh, short. Let me see if I can scrunch down here to about 4 feet here.
4 feet.
Anyway, so it's checkout time, baby. What did you think of the hotel?
I actually like this hotel, and we are right across from our ship, so
Yeah, we are.
it's pretty cool that we don't have to drive, because sometimes we've had to drive a little while in traffic to get to the port. But
Yeah.
this hotel is clean, nice room, good parking. I liked it a lot.
Yeah. We didn't make it out to the pool. The pool looked really nice.
Oh yeah, the pool was gorgeous, but
Yeah.
we had too many other things to do. They had a decent breakfast.
We had to move to a quieter location. Not that it's much quieter, but
Everybody's
yeah.
checking out and
Check-
on the cruise ships.
Yeah, this is a cruise ship hotel for sure. And they do have some, as I mentioned before, there are some other alternatives to transportation that you can check out. We're going to just drive and park in to me, it's only like $30 more to park in the parking
Yeah.
garage, and you don't have as much aggravation. But the check-in was smooth. The pool looked really nice. I wish we'd had time to jump in there and check it out. The room was nice, comfortable, big, huge TV. Goodness gracious. There's like a 65-inch TV in there.
Nice sized bathroom, plenty of counter space.
Yeah, I slept pretty good last night on that bed. It was small, but it got the job done, and that's all
He's
that
spoiled.
matters.
He's used to king size.
And breakfast this morning was your typical express breakfast with waffle, and the waffles were the highlight if you
Yeah,
like
I
waffles.
had eggs, yogurt, ham. I mean, I thought it was a pretty decent breakfast.
Yeah, it was. Now it's time to head on to the cruise ship. So
For us, right?
Yeah, for us. Too bad we got to leave here, but you got to go. They won't let us stay. If you like this video, be sure to.
Like, subscribe, ring that bell so you
Oh,
get
yeah.
notifications, and help us grow our channel.
And while you're doing that, you can also look over here on this side of Marcy's head. There's a video popping up of some other cruise hotels and things like that. So check those out too, and we'll see you on the next one.
See ya.
Bye.